To enhance your experience with controller drift in League of Legends, follow these steps to adjust settings and improve gameplay. This guide will help you troubleshoot and optimize your controller setup. Step 1. Check controller connection. Ensure your controller is properly connected to your device. If using a wired controller, check the USB connection. For wireless, make sure the Bluetooth connection is stable and the controller is charged. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Open League of Legends and navigate to the settings menu. Look for the controls section and adjust sensitivity settings. Lowering sensitivity can help reduce the impact of drift during gameplay. Step 3. Update controller drivers. Visit the manufacturer's website to download the latest drivers for your controller. Keeping drivers updated can resolve issues related to drift and improve overall performance. Step 4. Calibrate the controller. Use the calibration tool available in your operating system. For Windows, go to Control Panel Devices and Printers, right-click on your controller, select Game Controller Settings, and then Calibrate. Follow the prompts to ensure accurate input. Step 5. Test and fine-tune. After making adjustments, test your controller in a practice game. Pay attention to how it responds and make further tweaks to sensitivity or dead zones if necessary. Fine-tuning these settings can significantly enhance your gameplay experience. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and enhance your controller drift in League of Legends. Enjoy your improved gaming experience.